Mount Kachikachi, sequel original. Mountain of Revenge, the reversal of extermination of villains. Once upon a time, an old man and an old woman lived in a town. The two of them got along well and always spent their time helping each other. However, one day, when my grandfather went to the mountain to get firewood, a fox living in the mountain appeared. This fox was cunning, and he was the type to make his own profits by deceiving people. My grandfather came across the fox and was a little afraid. "Grandpa, do you want me to go to your house? I'll make you delicious food instead," the fox lied in a sweet voice. My grandfather was worried, but he thought that if he could cooperate, he invited the fox into his house. That night, the fox goes up to the house and pretends to ask his grandmother to help him, but he actually steals the ingredients. The grandfather and grandmother were waiting for a nice meal that evening, but they never thought that the fox would take away the ingredients. The next morning, the grandfather and grandmother noticed that the ingredients in their house were decreasing. "This is strange. I wonder if that fox is involved," the old man thought. My grandmother was thinking the same thing, but there was nothing she could do, so she was worried. After that, the fox came to the grandfather and grandmother again. "I'll cook for you again, so bring me some fruit next time," the grandfather decided. "Don't keep doing this," and consulted with his grandmother. The two decided to get back at the fox. One day, I remembered that an informed raccoon dog lived in the town and decided to ask him for help. The raccoon dog is smart and knows the town well. "Leave it to me. There is a way to deceive the fox," said the raccoon dog. At the suggestion of a raccoon dog, I decided to hold a festival in the park. "We will prepare delicious food, fun games, and gorgeous prizes," he advertised. The fox heard the rumor and said, "I have to go. I was interested in it." On the day of the festival, the fox came to the park with great joy, but a raccoon dog was waiting there. The raccoon dog invited the fox, "I'll make a special dish, so why don't we try it together?" The fox was curious and decided to eat the food as the raccoon dog said. In fact, what the raccoon dog prepared was a dish with laughing medicine. When I took a bite, the fox suddenly couldn't stop laughing. The people around us were surprised, but they enjoyed the scene and we also started laughing. In the end, the fox was teased by people in the city and went back to the mountain to escape. My grandfather and grandmother were also able to return to their original lives safely thanks to the raccoon dog. Since then, foxes no longer deceive people and change their minds little by little. My grandfather and grandmother continued to have fun days, knowing that even if you do something bad, there will always be a price for your actions. Now, the delicious smell of teppanyaki drifts around them, and everyone is getting along and helping each other, and peaceful days are being sent. The grandmother decided to hold a festival every weekend, gather the people of the town, serve food, and share a good time. In this way, the grandfather, grandmother, and the raccoon dog became popular in the town, and the fox also built a friendship in a different way. After all, when everyone does bad things, they understand that they are affected by their actions, and learned that it is more important than anything else to help each other and live together. The end.